Doing skincare without knowing a skin type is totally a waste of money. And not only that, it will also damage your skin if you choose a product that's not suitable for your skin type. Let's say if you have oily skin but unknowingly you have ended up using a thick moisturizer, it might clog your pores further and gives you a worse acne than ever before. So knowing a skin type before choosing and buying the right skincare products of your skin type is a crucial step in your skincare journey. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly a simple and easy method for finding your skin type in just 1 minute. Have you heard that? Yes guys. Trust me, it's a super easy process that you can find your skin type just in 1 minute from the comfort of your home. So to know that, watch the video till the end and find your skin type in no time. And before that, if you're watching me for the first time, hello beauty, welcome to my channel. I'm Ashika and I'm all about skincare, hair care and passionate about addressing and resolving pigmentation, acne, uneven skin tone, hair fall, hair thinning and much more with properly formulated products. And this channel is all about letting you know what you actually needed for the glowing skin and healthy hair. So if you're madly into skincare and love exploring huge range of products, or you're just a beginner and don't know what is skincare, how to do or where to start, then consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the bell icon to not miss any of my informative videos. Also, if you like anyone in the video, don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends and family. And if you have any queries or doubts, feel free to comment below. And if you're facing any pigmentation or dark spot issues on your face and wanna try some luxurious skincare brand, then check out the first link in the description box below right now. Before going to find your skin type, you need to know some interesting facts about your skin and things that affect your skin type. Technically speaking, skin types have no limits. There are as many skin types as people around the world. If we say that you have oily skin, it doesn't stick to be just an oily. It might be slightly oily, super oily or extremely oily. Likewise for the dry skin people, it might be slightly dry, super dry or extremely dry. And the main thing is our skin type will not be constant. It varies depending upon various factors like climate. In winter, it might become dry even if you have oily skin in the summer and vice versa. Environment. That includes pollution and dust. Age. While we aging, our skin loses collagen and starts to get mature, dehydrated and dry. Products that you use. If you use certain products like retinol, it will dry up your skin even if you lies on oily skin type. And medication, hormonal changes and several other factors can also impact your skin type. So I recommend checking out your skin type once again when you feel it has changed. Have you got confused? Please don't. Even if there are too many skin types that starts confusing you, these 5 skin types are the most basic categories that starts dividing from oily, dry or combo. And knowing these skin types as a beginner is enough for starting your basic skincare routine. Actually, how many skin types are there? Generally, our skin types can fall into 5 basic categories and they are normal, combination, dry, oily and sensitive. Normal skin types are those who have balanced oil production with no shine on their face and that's neither oily nor dry but nicely moisturized. Combination skin type have oily T-zone or normal or dry C-zone. If you don't know about T-zone and C-zone, let me clear you. T-zone includes forehead, nose and chin, while C-zone includes cheeks and other parts of T-zone. So this skin type can be oily dry, oily normal or oily flaky. Dry skin has less oil production and has dry patches and flakes. Oily skin has moderate to heavy oil production throughout their face and it's probably prone to acne and breakouts. Sensitive skin is more prone to redness, irritation and breakouts. It's more reactive to most of the skincare ingredients, so it needs extra care than others because it became irritated and sensitized more often. There is a misconception that dehydrated skin, sensitized skin, acne skin, breakout, rashes, etc. or falls on skin type, but it's not. It's just a skin condition that needs to be treated on time. Let's say you might be on normal, dry or oily skin type, but due to usage of wrong product or a harsh climate, your skin might become sensitive, but it's not sensitive, it's a sensitized skin. So there is a difference between sensitive and sensitized skin. So don't get confused. Are you ready to find your skin type now? Come on, let's analyze your skin type with these 3 steps. Step 1. To find your skin type, first you need to wash your face with any soap-free cleansers like Simple Gel Refreshing Face Wash, Cosrx Low pH Face Wash, CeraVe Foaming Face Wash, Sunjeng 1 or any of your choice. But make sure it's gentle and soap-free. Step 2. After washing your face, pat your skin and leave it with no moisturizer or any skincare products for an hour or 2. And remember, don't sit in an air-conditioned room or in a heater. It might be uncomfortable, but we need this to find your right skin type. Also, I recommend doing this test at night because in the morning we can't stay without sunscreen, right? Step 3. Here the real game starts. This is where you find your skin type in less than a minute. After leaving your skin untouched for an hour or two, take a blotting paper or a tissue paper and place it on your forehead, nose, chin and cheeks. Within a minute or so, you can start noticing oil traces in the paper. If it sticks to your face and is drenched with oil throughout the paper, your skin type is oily. If you can see more oil traces only on the forehead, nose and the chin, but other parts of your face are drenched with oil, then your skin type is combination and you might be oily dry or oily normal depending on the oil traces you can find in the cheeks. If the paper doesn't stick and fall off and you can't see any oil traces all over your face, then you might be on dry or sensitive skin type. Little bit of oil is fine but not as oil patches like that. And here you need to recognize whether you are sensitive or dry. So to distinguish sensitive from dry skin type, sensitive skin might look reddish and feels irritated and itchy even after an hour of face wash, and with dry skin you won't get reddish or irritation kind of thing, but your skin feels stretchy and extremely dehydrated and might look dull. If the paper doesn't stick but you can see very little oil traces all over your face uniformly, then good news to you. Luckily, you are on normal skin type. Also, your skin looks soft and supple, it's nicely moisturized. If you're still in doubt about your skin type, then check for this mirror test. If you're oily, you can see some shine all over your face. If you're combination, you can see some shine on your T-zone, that is on forehead, nose and chin, and C-zone, that is cheeks, looks to have dry patches or with no shine. If you are dry, all your face looks stretchy, scaly and flaky. When you pinch your skin, you can see dry patches or scales within it. If you are sensitive, your face looks dry, itchy and reddish. If you are normal, you can see no shine on your face with no symptoms of the above skin types, and you feel comfortable with a nice moisturized skin even after an hour of face wash. So have you found yours? Let me know your skin type in the comment section below. I would be more happy. Or if you're still doubtful on finding your exact skin type, then it's time to seek professional help. And Skinnerial is there to find your skin type and any existing skin conditions if you have. And not only that, they will also provide you best skincare advice and help you build your personalized skincare routine according to your skin type to achieve that healthy glowing skin that you were dreamt of. So it takes only a minute. If you are interested, feel free to check out my second link in the description box below. I hope you find this video helpful and got some value out of it. If you have any queries, doubts or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below, and if you like this video, hit the like button and share with your loved ones. Also, if you want more like this video, click on the subscribe button and bell icon to get notified each time when I upload a video. Like I said before, if you have any hyperpigmentation or dark spot issues on your face and want to try some luxurious skincare brand, then check out the first link in the description box below. And thanks for patiently watching my video. I will see you soon with another interesting and informative video on skincare. Until then, bye from Ashika. Have a glowing and healthy skin.